and good morning to all of you wonderful viewers. Today we have made a great discovery, solar-powered satellites. Reporting here from Providence High School. Solar-powered satellites are somewhat similar to solar panels, but these are in space. There aren't any cloudy days up there. As the solar platforms collect energy while orbiting Earth, turn it into electricity, they also transmit it back to Earth. With this technology, one platform could power almost 500,000 homes. This takes up zero space on Earth and produces zero waste. These solar platforms will be collecting energy 24 hours a day because the sun doesn't rise and set in space. The satellites will be made of thin mirrors which reflect and concentrate sunlight and then direct it to the back of the satellite. The satellite's microwave power transmission panels will beam the energy down as radio waves to receivers on Earth. Now to Abby to talk about volcanic energy.
My name is Abby Kruska, and I am reporting live from the cafeteria of Providence High School. I have just received breaking news on a brand new form of energy that could be an extreme source of power for the future. The Newberry volcano in Oregon will be the first test drive of a process called hydrofracking. This is a system that forces water at extremely high pressures down a well to create fractures in the volcano. The fractures reach heat below 3 kilometers into the surface and create geothermal reservoirs. Water slides into the reservoirs and are heated by the rocks to turn into steam. This steam then turns turbines to create electricity. Fracking has been seen as dangerous in the past because it used to be said that it caused earthquakes. After a recent study, the Royal Society and the Royal Academy of Engineering found that if the companies doing this process do it correctly, earthquakes will not result. This energy source could deliver more than 100,000 electric megawatts by 2050. These energy sources will begin testing in the fall. This is Isabel reporting live about nuclear energy.
Hi, I'm Isabel, reporting live from Providence High School. Nuclear power plants are a huge hope for people, but also a great fear. Atomic energy allows clean energy that will help lead us away from fossil fuel energy. The nuclear reactor core features a radioactive bundle that heats water into steam. This jet of steam, under pressure and very hot, then spins a turbine that generates electricity, accounting for 19% of the total electrical output. Nuclear power plants depend on atomic energy in order to heat water into pressurized steam, which drive a turbine generator. Nuclear energy relies on the heat that occurs during nuclear fission, when atoms split into two and release energy. Nuclear energy is powered by uranium-235. The splitting of this atom produces an incredible amount of heat and gamma radiation. In the reactor, there are also control rods that prevent or slow down the fission, not to become an uncontrollable problem.
Go.
Nuclear energy is a non-renewable resource. No, for wind energy.
Hello Providence, No One Tobias here, reporting from the corner of the cafeteria. So I bet all you know about wind turbines, but do you know how they work? Basically, the wind turns the blades, which turn the shaft of the turbine. The shaft is connected to a generator. Turbines come in many shapes and sizes. We've all heard of the classic wind turbine, but I bet very few of you know about the Darius model, which looks strangely like a lemon. Some houses can use smaller turbines which create less than 100 kilowatts of energy. Larger turbines can produce anything from 100 kilowatts to several megawatts. That's a lot of energy. Windmills have been used since 2000 BC and were first developed in China and Persia. There's also enough onshore wind in the US. Best of all, wind energy is a renewable resource. Abby, who's going to tell us why futuristic energy is the best of all.
Volcano fracking are the future of energy. There are better processes, such as wind and nuclear energy, than what we use today. Solar-powered satellites take up zero space on Earth and don't produce any waste. Nuclear energy produces very toxic waste stored in Yucca Mountain. This could be harmful to humans in the future. Wind farms take up lots of space on Earth, and one wind farm with 500 turbines could kill about 1,500 ducks each year. Wind farms are also very loud and ugly. Volcanic energy is better than wind and nuclear energy for many reasons. The first reason is that volcanic energy would not produce any waste, unlike nuclear. It would also last us a very long time because volcanoes will always be on the Earth and full of heated magma. Wind energy requires lots of space to build turbines, while volcanic energy would only require a volcano. There are many different volcano locations on this Earth, just waiting for us to use them. Nuclear energy requires lots of hard-to-find ingredients and technical procedures, while volcanic only needs turbines and a few machines to push the water below the surface. If we take the time to invest in these new inventions, we will be next time.